first thing I'm going to do is turn it over to Autumn. Autumn Starcher is a PhD student, graduate student at the University of Delaware. She's working on her doctorate degree. So she's a scientist, and she helped organize this event. She really enjoys working in science and working with kids, and she's a alumni of 4-H, and so she really believes in 4-H and science, and so she's been a big part of helping organize this event. And she's put together a little opening presentation for you, and then we'll have some remarks from our state 4-H program leader, and then we'll divide out and get started with the fun for today, okay? So I'm going to turn it over to Autumn.
Hi everybody, how are you guys doing today? Good. I know it's really hot out, so we'll try to get this part over with real quick so that you guys can all go to the other activities under the tents. So first I want to introduce our Youth Innovator of the Year, Coleen Murray. So I'm coming up, Coleen. She's a 4-H'er in Newcastle County, and she's been a 3-year member of the Newcastle County Camp Counselor Club. She does science topics at high school, including environmental education and engineering. She's on a competitive robotics team at her high school, and she also does a lot of outreach through science fairs. She also helps out a lot with the science camps in Newcastle County. So thank you, Coleen. You want to tell them what you're going to be doing when you graduate? So I just graduated from high school, so I'll be going to the University of Delaware, where I'll be studying mechanical engineering, and eventually I will be going on and hopefully working in materials sciences. So see how this goes. So now we're going to demonstrate a few STEM careers for you so you guys can know. Does everybody know what STEM is? So STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. So everybody's going to come up from back there, and they're going to tell you about their career, what their STEM career is. They're going to tell you how it relates to STEM, and then they're going to have a demonstration for you to show you all how it relates to STEM. So like I said before, I'm going into mechanical engineering, but ideally I want to work with materials. So the most important part of materials is making sure that they're strong enough to do what they're supposed to. So one way to do that is to actually test them. So I worked in a lab for the past 2 summers actually doing testing on them, and we used a big super fancy machine to break a bunch of different samples. So today we brought in a much more fun version of that using chocolate. So right now, if you do have peanut allergies, we ask you to not take the bag, but just hold the bags for right now until you get the chocolate, okay?
Try to keep them out of sun because they're melting a little bit.
Yeah. We'll act quickly.
Not in my pocket.
Take a bag, pass it around. Take a bag, pass it around.
Take a bag and pass it around, guys. Anybody missing a bag up here? There you go. Who is missing a bag? Hold up your hand if you're missing a bag.
Put your hand up if you haven't gotten chocolate yet.
Sponsored by UNICEF and National 4-H. There are about 100 youth kids today. After the readings, they're going to be split off and work on
Who else needs one?
technology, rocketry,
Watch out,
working
Chris.
under microscope, learning about soil, learning about environmental science, and the different careers that you can take if you have a good STEM education study. STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, mission mandate of Delaware 4-H. We